Imagine a world where steak, chicken, or even sushi can be created from scratch without harming a single animal. A world where food is sustainable, customizable, and utterly delicious. Welcome to the future of food, 3D printed meat. Let me present you Redined Meat. Well, the concept of 3D printed meat emerged in the early 2010s as a response to growing concerns about traditional meat production. There were many different reasons, like the environmental impact of livestock farming, including deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water consumption, is immense with a growing global population. Ensuring a stable food supply is a critical challenge, and concerns about animal welfare and factory farming have driven the search for alternatives. People are already looking for it and loving it. According to the information provided on their website, they have lots of options for home, restaurants, events, and catering. Eshar Ben Shitrit, the co-founder and CEO of the Redined Meat, says they have been working for past 2 years to deeply understanding meat and what makes meat so special, and they have identified few components that they can recreate from plants and have the same exact texture and taste. They have an amazing video of their own to explain the whole process, and without wasting a minute, let's have a look at it.
Meat, the most complex culinary product crafted by nature over millions of years. What is it about meat that makes us love it so much? Is it the flavors? The texture? Is it the memory of the best steak you ever had? Meat is a hallmark of our past. It's a staple of our lives today. But what about the future? What if we could give the world better meat? New meat. Meat that's delicious, environmentally friendly, and kind to animals. New meat. Precisely the same, entirely different. We use cutting-edge technology to replace the need of animals. Starting with natural plant-based ingredients, crafted and optimized using AI and machine learning, and brought to life with advanced manufacturing. By collaborating with the world's leading butchers and chefs, now every meat dish can become even better to satisfy any carnivore, vegan, or flexitarian. Having unlocked the secret to creating great new meat, we're on a journey to become the world's largest meat company. Redined Meat. A whole different animal.
So, get ready to redefine your taste buds. The future of food is here. They have been featured in different news channels and papers like CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, Sky News, Bloomberg, CCTV News, NHK World, and many others. So the question arises, would you like to have such meat? Tell us in the comment section. Until next time, stay connected to our channel, and did you find this video helpful? Show your support with a like.